Hi everyone! Plain rice doesn't have to be boring. This simple tofu crumble turns it into a colorful, satisfying meal that's packed with plant-based goodness. And the best part, it comes together with everyday ingredients. I'm starting with tofu, a great plant-based source of protein and minerals like magnesium. Crumbling it gives it a delicious texture that works beautifully with rice and vegetables. Heat a little oil in a pan. Add the crumbled tofu and stir fry it until it starts to turn lightly golden. Now add chopped onion and saute it with the tofu. This gives the crumble a delicious savory base. Next comes fresh garlic. Add it to the pan and cook until fragrant, letting all those flavors come together. For extra color and fiber, I'm adding half a cup of frozen green beans. Toss everything together and let the beans cook with the tofu. Next, add chopped yellow bell pepper. It brings a beautiful sweetness, crunch, and vibrant color to the dish. Then comes green pepper for another layer of freshness and crunch. Give everything a good saute until the vegetables are tender but still colorful. Add chopped tomato and cook it with the tofu and vegetables. As it softens, it helps bring everything together. Now it's time for the flavor. I'm adding a little chili oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Give everything a really good mix so the tofu absorbs all those savory, spicy, and tangy flavors. And just like that, our colorful tofu crumble is ready, savory, flavorful, and loaded with vegetables. Spoon that delicious tofu and vegetable crumble generously over the rice. Look at all those colors and textures coming together. This is the kind of simple meal that makes healthy eating feel satisfying, not boring. If you love easy plant-based recipes, save this one and give it a try. And tell me, would you make this with white rice or brown rice?